Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the security measures in place to protect your personal information in the Shell app. To protect your personal information in the Shell app, the company employs various security measures designed to safeguard user data. Some of these measures include encryption. Now, Shell app uses encryption technology to secure the transmission of your data between your device and the server. So this ensures that any information you send or receive through the app is encrypted and cannot be easily intercepted by unauthorized party. And along with that, the app requires users to authenticate themselves before accessing certain features or sensitive information. These types involve logging in with your username and a password or using biometric authentication method like fingerprint or face recognition. Now, Shell app stores user data in secure data with strict access control. This helps prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information stored within the app infrastructures. Now, Shell conduct regular security audits and adjustment to identify and address potential vulnerabilities in the app. These proactive approaches help mitigate security risk and ensure that the app meets the industry best practices for data. The app includes payment functionality, secures Shell ensures that payment transactions are processed securely within the industry's standard encryptions and authentication protocols. These help protect user financial information when making purchases. Now, overall, Shell takes the security of the user data seriously and implements a robust measurement to protect personal information within the app. However, users should always take proactive steps to safeguard their own by using strong password, keeping their app up to date, and being cautious when sharing sensitive information online. So these are some of the security measures that are provided by the Shell app in order to protect personal information. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.